Hey, this is Chris with Haven Lighting. Today we're going to be installing X Series, both Classic and Evolution, on the same house. It's going to be a great look, including 9 Series full color landscape lighting. All of it can be controlled with the Haven Lighting app. Everything will work seamlessly, create scenes, schedules, all of it around the holidays. It all just happens like magic. Check it out. All right, so we are currently installing X Series, both Evolution and Classic track. Now it's the same track, it just depends on the product that we snap into place. So Classic's gonna be on the top, right under the gutter, facing out. So it's gonna look a lot like Christmas permanent lighting. And then underneath, facing out also, is gonna be Evolution, which is the linear product, which is, the combination is absolutely fantastic and phenomenal. So right now, Brian's fishing wire from the lower section to the upper section of the house. We're using some fishing tools to fish the wire, as well as cameras. So you can always find that in the description and check the link out. So Brian's running an extension wire up to the top section of the roof, and he's using a product called the pitch hopper to stay safe on the roof. It's a nice way to have a flat surface when you're standing on a roof. It comes with 2 different pitches, so it's super nice depending on what the pitch of the roof is. You can use either side. Super cool product. The team places one of 2 X Series controllers on the front of the house near an outlet, as well as the other 9 Series controller. They run the data line up the house and into the soffit to connect it to the start of the run, concealing it with a black track and track cover. Next, the install team begins installing the Haven 9 Series landscape lights around the property. The team uses a Lineward L2 trenching machine to efficiently run hundreds of feet of wire for this job. The team then starts placing lights and changing lenses based on each application. Brian begins fishing wire for the second X Series controller in the garage. This job uses 2 X Series controllers because it made wiring super simple. Next, the team works on replacing the old path lights on the front walkway. It is wise to avoid reusing existing wire, but you can use the old wire to fish your new wire under the sidewalks. The crew continues installing and wiring up lights and securing the transformers on the front of the house. Down in the lower garage area, Brian installs a second 150 watt 9 Series controller. This controller is used specifically to light up a large tree on the other side of the driveway. He drills through the foundation, fishes a line for the wire, installs conduit, and pulls the wire, which is run to the tree using a trencher. Work continues around the front of the house with placing the final lights and installing the path lights. With that, the installation is complete, utilizing the full Haven ecosystem, including both X Series, Evolution, and Classic lights, as well as 9 Series color landscape lighting. Let's check out the finished product. Thanks for watching. Check us out at havenlighting.com and be sure to subscribe to learn more.